Morarji Desai. Morarji Desai. 1978 एक रिपोर्टर को बोला था उसने
अरे डायलॉग है पता नहीं
बारह से 2 बजे का क्लास देते हैं
Good morning, everybody. Stand up and wish. Thank you. Thank you. Let's proceed. So we are starting with TOEFL, or shall I?
Sir, we got that name.
Again, read what is written. Read what is written. What is more about Morarji Desai? But what is the Morarji Desai all about? Tell me. Read it loudly. I can hear this.
Like this is the top in the table. This Desai, a long-time practitioner of urine therapy, spoke in 1938 to Dan Ratner on 60 Minutes about the benefits of drinking urine. He also attributed his longevity to drinking urine. So these are live.
It's okay. Now, certain practitioners accept it. So we are moving away from our water resources. Let us start with Toposhi. Hey, shall I complete this chapter? This is not a very big chapter. No, small chapter. Let's complete it. But I am going to do that.
That's what she said.
Guys, listen. We will finish off this chapter and then we move ahead. Correct? What was the last topic that you guys have written? Irrigation. Yes. Now pick up the volume only. We'll go from what?
Yes.
No writing, nothing. Right. I can't keep one chapter hanging and going writing. Because how girls are helping you not to be a hardworking student. This is why we say girls are the future. And maybe not all. I'm moving with the customer. I'm going to go ahead. Page number 125. Keep your pencils ready. यार कोई हार्ड वर्क करे उसका encouragement करो. चलो. Importance of the need. You write 2 mark answer there only. The irrigation potential is regarded as, underline that word, only that word, prerequisite. Who can tell me what is prerequisite? Before I start agriculture, I need to have which water? Dam or canal water. If the area is dry, Second, because of the following reason, put number 1, uncertainty. Did I explain uncertainty? Yes. There is no fixed time of the rainfall. It is in 2 aspects, time and quantity. What is time and quantity? Either it starts late and moves early, starts very late, then also moves early. Kabhi move late nahi hota. And then quantity, the entire 4 months rainfall, it can give it only 2 months flooding. Next, uneven distribution, underline that. Next, Crop requirement. What is crop requirement? Yes, you write different crops, different requirement. So we can use the dam water whenever we need more, whenever we need less. Then nature of the soil, underline nature only. Effective utilization and maximize the production. उधर एक word add कर लो and productivity. Production and productivity. Last one. Who will distinguish these two words? Who will look at it? I've asked you two guys to remain out of 2:15 today. You guys are staying 15 minutes. There is a special class for you because you are very hardworking in June. No, special candidates. Irrigation methods practiced in India are underlined. Two main categories: conventional and modern. So what is conventional? We are going to do put number 1, wells, number 2, tanks, number 3, canals. Now, who can tell me the distinction between conventional and non-conventional? Directions. Conventional means which we are using for long period of time. Non-conventions are modern, recent use, correct? So let's move on. Wells are an underline, age-old method. Simplest, dependable, and cheapest. You want me to explain any of the word? No. Underground water, underline. Persian wheel, lever method, inclined plane method. This, if I get a video, I'll show you what all the three. Next, areas where water extensively used. Only think 4 areas. UP, Rajasthan, Punjab, and Haryana. Advantages, simplest and cheapest. Independent source. Wells can be underlined. Dug at convenient place. 3rd or the 4th point. Convenient place. ऐसा नहीं कि बहुत बड़ा site चाहिए इसके लिए. Next, oxen ये नहीं चाहिए. अभी तो हम लोग मोटा पंप use करते हैं. Disadvantage. Well can water only underline. Limited amount of land. Dry up during summer. Time consuming and water may brackish. What is brackish? If you don't clean the water of well regularly, it may brackish. In that entire para, I could see something called as Persian wheel.
Yes, yes.
What is Persian wheel?
That's what I wanted to ask.
Normally, we remove the well water using a lever method. That bucket is very old. In agriculture, earlier there was much older, a big wheel-like attachment.
Buckets were attached.
But how do I understand that Persian
Buckets were attached.
buckets. Whatever it is, when that oxen pulls that wheel rotates, and when the water dips, it takes. I'll show you the video. Now we have stopped. Now we are on motor pump, electric motor pump. Correct. The motor pump can draw the water from the well very quick, less time, more water. Let's proceed. Then tanks, underline, earthen or masonry walls. So why they are using the word masonry walls? Matlab? Who is a mason? The person who constructs the tank. You can write bricks uses the bricks. Earthen matlab sirf khadda khoda rahega, aur kuch nahi, because it will not store water for a long time. Across a stream, underline across a stream. Rainwater collects and needed, especially in underline dry season. Tanks of underline various sizes, big and small. Mostly practiced in peninsula. Why is it peninsular India tanks are very important? They are getting rainfall from northeast, correct? 20%. And which is the maximum natural tanks are found in which state? Telangana. Maximum natural tanks are found. These are man-made tanks. Areas where most peninsular India pick up. Andhra, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka. And advantages, hard rocks underline large areas, don't underline that. Do not allow the percolation of water. What is do not? We can store the water. Let me explain, since you guys will not be able to connect what I'm saying. We should teach you this layer. So if I say these are permeable layers of rocks, correct? And these are impermeable. How do you understand the meaning of the word?
The one that's the
Permeable, which allow the water to pass through. Impermeable is solid. It gets water collected. So in Telangana, these kinds of apparatus are huge. I don't understand. So Telangana, a part of Andhra Pradesh earlier. Now it's an independent state, correct? Has maximum number of which tanks? Natural tanks. So right some there only. Telangana in India has maximum natural tanks. And ये उसका structure है. Telangana in south contains maximum natural tanks. Shall we?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then come to page number 127 again. Undulating surface. Underline the word undulating, natural depression. You understand what is undulating? Na? Like this, what I have drawn, up and down. So that the depression part, they can collect the water. Next, tanks also help in raising underground water. In spite of irrigation, underline, many village tanks, only source of water. Disadvantages. Large surface area. Tanks may dry up during dry season. Dry season की जगह पर उधर लिख लो summer season. Cancel that word dry and you write summer. Silt of tanks is a problem. What is silt? That sand getting collected. Okay, silt. Types of canals, put a star mark to perennial and inundation. And it is directly given, have water, open bracket. Throughout the year, close bracket. Perennial canals that have water in them throughout the year. That is very important. And perennial rivers are underlined. Artificial lakes. Now, what are artificial lakes according to you? Before the rain starts, the village people might dug the ground and keep it ready. And these are lakes, they are not used throughout the year, only during the rainy season. Uske baad to pani dry hota hai. Correct? Let's go to inundation. Canals for flood water canals. Underline that word, flood water canals. Only they have water in them only when the river is flooded during rainy season. Underline rainy season. Canals are taken out from rivers. And areas used, open bracket, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Bihar, close bracket. Advantages, canal water is rich in sediments. Most of these canals are underlined, perennial. Initial cost is high, but cheap in the long run. Why initial cost is high? Because after the construction of the dams, I need to draw canals to distant parts. And they are generally cemented so that the water doesn't seep. If I'm drawing canals to 15 kilometers, it's a real cost for the government. But once it is done, I can take water for at least as long as what is having the water, the reservoir is having the water. Is it okay? I'm going a little bit faster, I feel, but I am giving time. So please read from wealth up till that inundation. Maybe 5 minutes more, but I want you guys to understand. Now read it silently. I'm coming around to check that part also. जाओ उधर ऑफिस में रेड पेन रहेगा ये वाली
Sorry, I'm sorry.
गुड है I'm coming around to check the writing. Meantime, everyone silently read that.
So, get out.
Hmm?
From once till get out.
Correct. That's what we can do something like this. Shall I couldn't find any video. Give me the reference. I'll start from the. Others carry on, reading silently. Where is that? Rain shedded on the roof. There's no word called shedded there. Rain falls on the roof, correct? The rain falls over the roof. The cheapest, you make it comparatively super little. ना? Main in fact, वो diagram नहीं दिख रहा था अभी. क्या है? Pipes, okay, good. Water tank. Why are you looking? Read it yourself. It is saved flooding of roads. But here, regularity and cleaning. Let's check with the audience. Hey, in that Murarji Desai, didn't they mention you as one Prime Minister of India? No. जो मुझे चाहिए था वो नहीं है बाकी आ गया तो लोग
But I think she was the you said that his party didn't ask for bonds.
हाँ but you're from JD Janata Dal cheaper मैं कभी written you to give the reason okay now that one was only Congress and the small party BJP तो बहुत लेता है तो ये Richard don't do. We are going to start next time. I told to your coordinator regarding coming Sunday. Please come. Okay. Because we can't keep that lecture for long. And then after the करना मेरे लिए भी Where is that? Because at least she has a neat and clean habit of writing. Good. This time. You are doing that, right? Because I have things that elder. Krisha. Elder sister, which is studying. Oh, yes. You come on the way. I forgot that. What are you? Give me your very large color. That will be complete then. What are you thinking popcorn papa? And other than okay. Sir, and ये then that is your copy to check और अभी बोल रहे हैं correction. ये तो अभी that's okay. Okay, I won't give you time for that. Smartly wasting my time as well as your time, huh?
Yes,
So we can write it later.
Why not? Then why did you say? Yeah, I'm showing that video of that inundation or perennial canal. I don't know why there's no video.
so YouTube will
YouTube में देख रहा हूँ फिर किधर just copy this. No. You will see what is this both the canals are. As you'll understand, then I'll go ahead. Look at it. Blessing in the church. Yeah, this is just the ordinary canal, so that at least you'll understand what is the canal all about. Oh, thank you, my dear girl. बहुत जल्दी खत्म किया, आ रहा हूँ. You see, how does a canal work?
Measure and control the supply of irrigation water. I use the combination of feedback and feed forward. Total channel control minimizes fluctuation that is consistent supply to all. There's also the demand and the flexibility of irrigation water software automatically checks if the flow has sufficient application and whether the order can be delivered within capacity constraint. The order is then sent to the customer's terminal. It automatically opens at the requested and continually adjusts to deliver the ordered flow rate. Upstream flow gates anticipate the downstream demand using feed-forward control.
Correct.
And along with real-time level and flow information, continuously adjust to maintain the immediate and downstream. As the regulator adjusts to maintain the water level in its downstream pool, upstream regulators in turn adjust right through to the reservoir. This means that only the exact amount of water required is drawn from the reservoir, eliminating the spills and wastage that plague traditional irrigation infrastructure. Total channel control, changing the way the world irrigates.
Yeah, boy, pause it. I'm coming on this.
Later.
Let us write the next part. Let us go to the next part. आपने होमवर्क थोड़ा सा ले लिया. I'm coming back to this slide. I will come back to this. Let's proceed with the, because I'm not in a mood to punish late arrival sign. What do you call it? Homework I've just taken only one person. Wait, I will check other persons also too.
What was the homework?
To complete the question answers of that climate chapter.
And vegetation also.
Vegetation also.
Vegetation.
Okay, let us finish this and start info. I will keep coming down and check you guys with your homework. And irrigation, inundation canals, we have done advantages. Canals are disadvantages I'm doing. Unless canals are lined, underline the word line. Okay, what is the meaning of the word line? They are not made with the mud only. They have to be properly brick and concrete. Well, not concrete, it's really brick. Water table may reach, underline, surface. Large areas of Punjab, UP, underline, suffer from the problem of salt in the upper layer. Salt in what? The canals. Okay. Marshy areas near canal, underline, breeding ground for mosquitoes. Due to waterlogging, underline, absence of proper drainage, standing crops, houses, stored food grains and fodder is ruined. Now you want to explain any of the disadvantages? Are you sure? Anyone? The backbenchers? Nobody. They don't know what's going on. Non-conventional. What's going on? Trisha? Non-conventional. Good. Tube wells. Tube wells have been found, underlined, where groundwater is available in plenty, ye bahut zaruri hai, and fairly close to the earth's surface. Open bracket UP, close bracket in West Bengal. Advantage 1, water much larger area. Matlab, tube wells You know what are tubers generally? These iron pipes which are inserted deep into the one. And by the time they reach the ground, these iron pipes will be digging. Oh, bada machine jaisa aata hai na? And once the water table is reached, they remove all the iron pipes and they insert the plastic pipes. And once you put a powerful water pump, it can continuously supply water till the underground water is there. I think north mein to main nahi hai, but south majority people have tubewell. Because especially Tamil Nadu doesn't get a good rainfall. By the use of pumps and tubewells, underline water lifted. They are better and more reliable. Underline better and more reliable. Suited to areas of small holding. Disadvantage, it should have sufficient supply. Agar motor pump maine on kar diya, if I get the water only for 1 month or 2 months, then my entire investment goes waste. Are you understanding? So that is why when we have to dig, normally people in my hometown where I am coming from, they go for minimum 100 to 200 feet. There are people in some farms they put to 500 feet also, no water. Because certain layers of the rocks only stores water, not all. And there are some specialist people who come and check with certain instrument and they say this area you get water deep close to 200. I don't know whether you heard it or not. Some people in our area they bring a simple normal coconut and keep it in the water, keep it in the hand and they just walk. These are old traditional type. And where the water, instead of in a sleeping position, stands up, they'll tell you exactly where it is. It's a name, but in my own farm I had put one 250. He said close to 200, but I made to go to 250 so that water will not be stopped. And then there are some metal copper wires. They keep it like this. Keep walking, where the water flows there, it starts rotating. Let's move up and down. Then they'll say, "Itna deep na pani." These are old people, they understand certain things, which you and me, GPS, they do all this. Okay. Then disadvantages, the region must be underlined, fertile and protective. Why region must be fertile? I itna kharcha kar raha hu, close to 1 or 2 lakhs, and the region is a desert region, right? Will I go for? No. Furrow irrigation. This also I will show you furrow. It is a type of flood irrigation underline, in which water poured on the field directly flows through narrow channels dug between crops, rows of crops. The furrows must have underline equal dimensions. If I want to show you through a picture, do I show you? If these are the fields, correct? In between the fields, I will dig a furrow. Furrow matlab? Thoda sa, I'll remove the soil. So when I'm watering the plant, my crop, the field, it will be connected from one to the another. And the water you can see goes exactly through the furrows. And it is no specialist people, the farmer himself digs a furrow. The furrows must have underline equal dimension. Next, furrow irrigation useful in area. Water is easily available. Spray irrigation, long hose is set to water source. What is hose? The thin pipe. Have you seen? And when the water gushes with a great speed, it sprinkles. And then you might have seen small blade like it rotates also. The water is thrown in different directions. We have public park mein bhi dekha rahega. Football. But where the girls are playing football, is there? Nowadays, the spray irrigation is underline expensive. More efficiently reducing the amount of water needed. Why it is more efficient? Because unlike furrows or unlike dam or unlike any, we are not just letting the water. We know how much the water requires, and these thin pipes are mainly for the pressure. And maybe for 15 minutes or 20 minutes, you can see entire crops are watered. That's enough. Next, however, water is lost through underline evaporation. Why evaporation will be easy under spray? Okay. Normally the water gushes out in the not in the heavy format, in a very spray format.
Very small.
And it is very easy for the sunlight to catch that. No. If the water gets collected like a deep canal or anything, evaporation will take place, but it will be more slower. इधर एक छोटा सा thin pipe रहेगा where water is gushing out with great speed. It's like a fumes of water. Are you understanding? देखा है कि नहीं? That water can be easily absorbed by the excess sunlight. Next, it utilizes drip irrigation. Usually irrigate fruits and vegetables. System consists of perforated pipes. Udhar likhna small holes placed between the rows and crops. I'll tell you what are these. If you've seen furrows like this, they have underground pipes which are coming in, and normally these are PVC pipes. And these pipes will have a small furrows or small at regular intervals. Instead of watering to the plants, I will water it to the roots. Are you seeing? This drips will go directly to the roots. So they say this is the best method to save the water where the water is not freely available. Drip irrigation, मतलब underground pipe रहेगा. As a result, drip हो गया. Evaporation is drastically reduced, underline drastically reduced. Allows grow, underline, customizing irrigation program. How do you explain the word customizing? I know this area, one particular vegetation. This area, one particular. Why? Because I am not going to water all the plant in a very lump sum manner. Because these pipes are going underground and they are going to pour the water drip by drip, not at a good go. एक crop को ज़्यादा पानी चाहिए रहेगा, एक crop को कम चाहिए रहेगा. So I can accordingly control, like your watchman controls through that tap, na, how to fill it up and how to bring it up. Correct? Drip irrigation allows done. Sprinkler. This type irrigation is called overhead irrigation. And normally, if you've seen mushroom plantation, we are going for a mushroom. Pipes will be overrunning, and that small outlet will be coming down. When you switch on the electric switch, it's more like an overhead irrigation. Like we use our showers in our bathrooms, correct? But a pipes at regular interval, right? And pani upar se hai. Drip irrigation from the down, sprinkler is from the up. Please understand. Nowadays, you guys know what is an A2 milk. A2 milk. What is A2? The normal milk that you and me drink is A1. A2 is a special type of milk which will cost you minimum 90 or 100 rupees per liter. And there are some brands which cost you 150 rupees. The fodder of that cattle is special one. One of my friends is having a farmhouse in Panvel area. Panvel is बहुत आगे. So he grows this fodder. And वो पूरा उसका जो roots है ना, ये पूरा plant है उसका बहुत बड़ा plant है. He has to control. And these fodders every morning the people come and take it. And the cows are also good hybrid cows, and they eat it. And the cow milk which we get it through that fodder is A2 milk.
Oh, more expensive.
More expensive. आप अपना ही dairy वाला से भी पूछो तो बताएगा. Even Amul comes out with the A2. Normally they have buffalo milk, but if you consume more of a cow milk, that is good. Okay. Let us go to. There is no loss of water underlined by C pages. Water is supplied through pipes. No water is lost through underlined by evaporation. Let us go to page number. Good deal of questions. 6 questions are given. I want you to solve 1 and 3 here. Rest from your home. By the time we get ready for your purpose. Only work it. Page 135. 135. But now, right now. Anytime कोई go to India, कोई star नहीं दिया. There's one person in Vashi उसको star देने का. मतलब अभी तक अच्छी नर्सरी से बाहर नहीं. Come on. I'm coming around to check your notebooks as well. Then propo sheet will finish today. 4 and 6 figure. Easily. Yes.
Can you check the
Yes. I'm looking for volume and good book.
No. What questions were
1 and 3 now. All the questions. If I completed the chapter, there is a choice.
questions were given?
Nobody.
Sorry,
Sorry, sir.
If the chapter is complete, you have to do all.
I was, I did, banally, communication over lines. From that.
Yeah.
Give it that spelling. Keep it up. Every time you lock it up, very careful with the good ball. They say,
But that's okay. Anytime. Yeah.
teachers are not only for this. There are other roles also teaching.
There are four resolutions.
Come on, keep writing that. And then in next 5 minutes, we will start to go. What is all this blank pages for all? Write some letters. Today you are not moving unless from your already 2:15 के बाद ये दो बच्चियां बैठी रही है. For your geography, if you don't want it go. I'm not sure. That is the time I need for my lunch. They are asking why is it? Have job, where job, answer. I will not do. Tell me these two. Complete the homework and go. You will bring that to me. Are you following like this? मैं करूँगा ना वो बोल देना ऐसे ही पूरा ट्रैवल करके रिटर्न चले जाता है. Make your size little bit bigger. Yes. Keep it folded right so that it will be for me to do. Take up and get a list. $15, $16, $17. Nivan is completing the homework, all the notebook then we take on. ये क्या है?
वो मेरे पता नहीं क्यों करना था सर. ये करना सर सॉइल के पूरे क्वेश्चन आंसर भी नहीं होगा. सॉइल का पूरा क्वेश्चन आंसर देखा तो मॉडल और कंप्लीट लेवल को क्वेश्चन नाम तो मेरे देखना फिर एक पेज इधर करना. सर मेरा कंप्लीट कर मेरे को बोल रहे हैं सच बोल रहे हैं वो कंप्लीट नहीं
sentence will be answered. And this should be to the right answer. Okay. The exam they are very particular in studying. What is this? But I think it's me that I will check them. They will give good to only picture. Why when I installed the notebook, you find out why. अरे बाबा नोटबुक बोला नोटबुक में बैठ के क्या कर सकते? What is this? Adding functions of constants. Where is this heading?
Why are you doing that?
Generally, I don't know that is habit there.
Good job.
Be brave like a boy. What? Brave. Otherwise, why? Then I will fill your application for MBA.
Yeah, okay.
and Indian Army needs him.
देखो मेरा नहीं complete.
No, sir. Army में जगह में एक है. Wait, don't snatch it. And what is you never asked me when after I put a big cut like this, next time I do it. इनका बाकी है ये बच्चे का वॉल्यूम बाकी है इनका दोनों बाकी है तो मैं आप कवर कर देते हैं एनीबॉडी फ्रॉम आवर स्कूल you which hey anybody lend your notebook to her maybe huh? You just take it from any of us maybe from that person. Okay, just for 2 minutes, everyone keep completing your homework. But at the same time, let us get into normally every school children says topo, but I feel it's very easy once you learn the technique. Listen, keep your volume first. मैं बता देता हूँ topo में क्या main point they ask you in the board exam. Look here. The first one we are going to study is interpretation of topo maps, in which the first picked up 4 and 6 figure. And then we are going to the next one, map, location and physical. This itself, total volume of 1 and 2 will give you 20 marks each, easily. So out of 80, close to 30 marks is in your pocket, 20 and plus 10 marks ka India ka map. Not India map, with all the chapters I will be teaching you certain board pattern maps. And you have to be very careful. Out of 80, if 30 is in your hand, it's very easy for you to score at least 70 and above. Understood? I think ICSE results, you guys have got some many announcement. 98 or 97, I don't remember. He's from Kharghar. So hopefully this time you guys might be wishing you are 75. UT But I don't know about North Point since I'm working with UT, so I'll talk more about UT and UT students. So next year, I want everybody to be in the prize list distribution.
Yes, sir.
Do you promise?
Sir, UT is present.
Why not? It's normally the medals and the awards they give it, and it is in a special.
इसको सर बुक लेके
Tell me. But for that you need to score all India rank number 1.
Oh.
She's not interested. So I'm going to teach you 4 and 6 figure, but before I teach you, directly go into that page. I'll show you what is the 4 figure and 6 figure. Look at. How do you find out 4 figure first I'm teaching you? Just understand when I run a video for you.
Page number 3.
Page number 3. So look here. Normally, you have to use your this right hand thumb rule. Are you seeing? The ring finger always my easties. But I tell my students very simple. Normally, जो title है ना आपका टोपो का उसके नीचे जो भी दिया रहेगा title number, you feel that is not feeling, take that as easting. And where my right thumb is showing, it is my northings. Anybody have confusion here? So you will have eastings up and down visible, northings towards your left and towards your right. Clear? Now I'll play some line duel. Is it? This is a right time. This is a, we can say, don't say railway track. And this is a right time. Let us name 65, 66, 67, 68, 68. I only concentrate here. Now, if I am asking a temple-like appearance, find out the 4-figure grid reference of the temple in the map. Then we find that it is in between 66 and 67. Am I correct?
Yes.
Always catch the smaller number first. So I say 66 is my easting of this place. Then let me come diagonally here. I said it is in between 41 and 42. I'll write 41 and 41 and 42. Now I am not taking the bigger number. So my 4-figure grid reference of this place is 6641.
Sir, नीचे से आता है।
नीचे से आता है। 62
No, always the smaller number. Okay. Listen. I'll tell you. Now, when I'm going for eastings and northings, we are catching this. And here I have to catch not 41. Here I will catch. Then when I take the same place, 6-figure grid reference, same thing I will write. 4-figure I've already taken. I'll leave one empty space. 42 I'll write. I'll leave one empty space. This will be my 5th and this will be my 6th grid. Give me a scale. If anybody have one. 6 figure. No, it is in between 66 and 67. If you take 67, I have to say from here to travel here. Now it is from here to traveling here. That is why I take a smaller one. I'll keep my pencil scale and I'll keep it from 0. Correct? Then normally it will be counted like this. Counted what? The millimeter. Up till 1 it will be 10. And up till 2 it will be 20. So if I am saying if it is something 19, for example, it is there, I will divide it by 2. I'll say 8 is mine. Why I am dividing it by 2? In your grid, the entire box is 2 centimeters. Got it? And when we are moving to the other, that is eastings, I'll keep 0 down. And then I'll say it is somewhere close to 5. So 5 ka kitna rahega? 50 divided by. I will say, for example, we'll take it 5 only, divided by 2. So it is 2.5. Either I take 2 or I can take 3.
चलो 2 और 19 होगा तो
2
divide by 50 बहुत बड़ा number.
नहीं 8 के लिए
Wait, is this logic you understood? So 4-figure always takes your easing smaller, always takes your northings from down, and if it is 6-figure, you have to use your scale and find out the mm. What is mm? Millimeters, and divide whatever is the number by 2. If you are getting something decimal, you either take 2 or you can make it as 3 also. No problem. But you have to find out first which figure grid reference. 4-figure, leave one space, again leave one space. Shall we? I'm playing that same video, you will understand more, and then you will go ahead with certain sums which are there in the volume for us. So, ye itna easily bolte nahi hai. They will give you a place and they'll ask you to kya bolte hain? Find out in this grid reference what is the place there. Okay.
So eastings or
in
eastings and north.
This video I showed to all my students. It becomes easy for guys to understand.
Every student.
It is not this grid reference got 97. So just listen to it very carefully. There's very repeated questions. The same questions appears in the board exam as well. So easy for you guys. एक डोला पूरा करके रहता है जगह का नाम
डोला
figure reference और figure reference ऐसे तो इसको समझने के लिए reference होती है
घूम गया
तो हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है ये 4 figure reference को सेटलमेंट भोजपुरा अब हम इस मैप में सेटलमेंट भोजपुरा को 4 figure reference कैसे फाइंड करेंगे चलिए देखते हैं इसको निकालने के लिए सबसे पहले आपको दो चीजें समझनी पड़ेंगी कि एक मैप में जो आप ये नंबर्स लिखे रहते हैं टॉप पे और ये साइड पे तो ये जो टॉप पे नंबर्स लिखे होते हैं इन्हें
हम बोलते हैं ई स्कीम्स, और ये जो साइड में आप लोग लिखे हुए देखते हैं इन्हें हम बोलते हैं नॉर्डिक्स। तो किसी भी लोकेशन का 4 फिगर ग्रिड डिफरेंस फाइंड करने के लिए हमें पता होना चाहिए कि वो लोकेशन किस ई स्कीम्स के बीच में आ रही है और किस नॉर्डिक्स के बीच में आ रही है। तो देखते हैं धूलपुरा इसका हमें अगर 4 फिगर ग्रिड डिफरेंस, तो धूलपुरा जो है किस ई स्कीम्स के बीच में आ रहा है, यहाँ और यहाँ के बीच में। तो ये है 10 और ये है 11। सो 10 और 11 के बीच में है धूलपुरा, तो हम इससे एक छोटी वाली स्कीम लेंगे, यानी कि 10 और 11 जैसे जो छोटी स्कीम है, तो हम 10 को कंसीडर करेंगे। तो हमारी स्कीम क्या आ गई 10। ओके, अब हम देखेंगे कि हमारा धूलपुरा किस नॉर्डिक्स के बीच में आ रहा है। ये धूलपुरा अगर हम देखें तो कौन सी नॉर्डिक है यहाँ पे 8 एंड 9, तो हम कम वाली लेंगे तो 8 आ जाएगा। सो नॉर्डिक क्या आ गई,
You said the smaller.
ये तो
I said smaller one, na? Smaller one. Second kind of question is different.
Other part, right and south of the sun. So right and south of the sun, this is a country.
Just pause.
अगर नाचते देखिए,
Wait, I can find that.
तो sun में मिलेगा।
Pause. Now he's saying it is the south of the Datani. So whenever you get a topo sheet in your exam, you are free to use it with your scale and pencil. Draw the line exactly like this. So this is north, south, west, and east. And then if I draw diagonal, that also will show you. So let us understand first south of Datani.
ये है मेरे अब क्वेश्चन में बोला था राइट एंड साउथ ऑफ द सन। द सन इज साउथ में, अब साउथ का मतलब नीचे, नॉर्थ का मींस अप, साउथ का मींस नीचे। सो द सन इज साउथ में, ये जो राइट एंड आप देख रहे हैं हमें इसका 4 फिगर ग्रिड डिफरेंस बताना है। तो अगेन वही चीज, अब जो नंबर ऊपर लिखे रहते हैं वो नंबर से नीचे लिखे 10 और 11, तो आप देख सकते हैं सारे नंबर ये स्कीम्स हैं बेसिकली। सो ये जो राइट एंड है ये किन स्कीम्स के बीच में आ रहा है 10 एंड 11। सो हमारा पहला जो नंबर है वो क्या है 10, बिकॉज ये जो 10 था ये 10 एंड 11 के बीच में आ रहा है। तो हमने इससे छोटा वाला नंबर ले लिया 10, हमने यहाँ पे लिख दिया। अब हमें ये देखना है कि ये किन नॉर्डिक्स के बीच में आ रहा है। तो आप अगर देखेंगे ध्यान से तो ये 3 और 4 के बीच में आ रहा है। तो हम इसमें से कौन सा वाला लेंगे, कम वाला यानी कि 3। सो यहाँ से क्या हो जाएगा, तो राइट एंड साउथ ऑफ द सन यानी कि इसका 4 फिगर ग्रिड डिफरेंस क्या आ गया 1 0 0 3। तो थर्ड पार्ट है हमारा फेयरली डेंस स्क्रब ऑफ साउथ। साउथ पार्ट में हमें जो फेयरली डेंस स्क्रब है उसका 4 फिगर ग्रिड डिफरेंस बताना है।
Oh my God.
साउथ पार्ट में फेयरली डेंस स्क्रब।
Wait, let others.
साउथ पार्ट में
They have written something called as fairly dense scrub. Now, what is the question? South part of that. Let's play about that.
साउथ पार्ट में तो यहाँ पे जो फेयरली डेंस स्क्रब है इसका 4 फिगर ग्रिड डिफरेंस बताना है। अगेन वही चीज, सबसे पहले हम देखेंगे इसकी, तो फेयरली डेंस स्क्रब के दो स्कीम के बीच है इसके और इसके, इनकी नंबरिंग क्या है 8 और 9। तो हम कौन सा वाला स्कीम लेंगे 8, यानी कि 0 8, ये तो हो गया इसकी। अब हमें क्या चाहिए इसका नॉर्डिंग, तो इसका नॉर्डिंग क्या होगा ये और इस नॉर्डिंग के बीच में आ रहा है। ये वाली नॉर्डिंग है 9, ये वाली नॉर्डिंग है 3, ये वाली नॉर्डिंग है 4। तो 3 और 4 के बीच में आ रहा है 3 एंड 4 के बीच में, तो 3 एंड 4 तो ये कौन सी है 3। तो हम यहाँ लिख देंगे ये हो गया हमारा फेयरली डेंस स्क्रब ऑफ साउथ का 4 फिगर ग्रिड डिफरेंस। नेक्स्ट पार्ट है सेटलमेंट मकावल। हमें मकावल एक सेटलमेंट है उसका 4 फिगर ग्रिड डिफरेंस बताना है। पहले मैं आपको ये कहते हैं कि मकावल क्या है, मकावल ये है आपको दिख जाएगा मकावल। सो इसका 4 फिगर ग्रिड डिफरेंस क्या होगा, सबसे पहले देखते हैं ई स्कीम्स। अब ये जो मकावल है ये आपका लाइक करता है डायरेक्ट 6 पे।
Listen
ये
to
घर आप
that. Just
देखने
pause.
में ये
If
डायरेक्ट
any places falls on the line, then you are not going to put which is smaller and which is larger. You have to pick up the point where it falls. Now I am saying this temple has been somewhere here. I can pick 65. Why? Because if you pick up 65, it has to be in between these two.
But it's on the line.
But it is on the line. If I say 66, it's absolutely right. But I can say this distance is covered. It is here. So either it may be 66 or 67. Then also my smaller number is what?
66.
That's the logic why we take this number, not this one. If I picked up 65, then you have to show me, sir, it has traveled from here to here, but not touched it. It has touched it. आप बोलेगा सर ये तो ये बॉक्स में आ रहा है, but then also out of these two, smaller number is this. So I have to write 66 only, not 65. Okay, clear.
सिर्फ वाली लाइन पे ही कट करता है। यदि भी ऐसा केस होगा तो हम डायरेक्ट यही वाली लिस्टिंग दे देंगे। हम ये नहीं देखेंगे छोटा कौन सा बड़ा कौन सा, हम डायरेक्ट यही वाली लिस्टिंग दे देंगे। मकावल 06 पे लाइक करता है और यहाँ लिख देते हैं 06। ये हो गया मकावल का ईस्ट। अब हमें देखना है कि मकावल की नॉटिंग्स क्या है। तो मकावल 4 और 5th नॉटिंग के बीच में आ रहा है। हम छोटी वाली नॉटिंग देंगे 4, यानी कि क्या हो जाएगा 0। तो मकावल का 4 फिगर डिफरेंस क्या हो गया 06 04। मकावल कहाँ है 06 लाइन पे और 04 और राइट के बीच में था तो हमने 0 बोल दिया। तो मकावल का 4 फिगर डिफरेंस क्या है 06 04। तो आई होप आपको समझ में आ गया होगा।
Just
अभी
play
बढ़ते हैं 6 फिगर डिफरेंस।
हाँ play कर। Good. He's teaching the 6th figure.
तो अगर आप
You watch it and you will practice it in this.
कैसे निकालना है चलिए
Back in the
तो इसके लिए देखते हैं क्वेश्चन। हमारा क्वेश्चन ये 6 फिगर भी डिफरेंट होगा एक्सेल रेशियो तो भी रिलेटेड होगा।
Understand it, I don't need more.
एक्सेल फाइंड करना है तो उसका हम बताना है 6 फिगर रेशियो।
I'm just running through certain papers for you guys.
अगर आप इस मैप पे देखेंगे तो हमें विलेज
Shall I show the paper?
Yes, yes, sir.
तो हमें विलेज यहाँ
I'm
दिख
the
रहा
first person
है
not.
ये विलेज। अब विलेज नवी के वेस्ट में एक टेम्पल वेस्ट मतलब ये नॉर्थ साउथ ईस्ट एंड वेस्ट। तो ये है वेस्ट में टेम्पल। अब इस टेम्पल का हमें बताना है 6 फिगर डिफरेंस। तो 6 फिगर डिफरेंस बताने के लिए सबसे पहले बताना पड़ेगा हमें कि इस टेम्पल का 4 फिगर डिफरेंस क्या है। ये टेम्पल कहाँ लाया जाता है सबसे पहले हम देखेंगे इसकी ईस्टिंग। तो किस स्टिंग्स के बीच में इस और किस स्टिंग के बीच में यहाँ और यहाँ के बीच में ये कौन सी लाइन्स है 10 और 11 आप ऊपर देख सकते हैं 10 एंड 11 के बीच में। तो 10 एंड 11 के बीच में ये है 10। तो सबसे पहले हम लिख लेते हैं इसका 4 फिगर डिफरेंस 10 और इसके बाद हम एक जगह छोड़ देंगे। ठीक है ये जगह क्यों छोड़ी अभी आपको पता लग जाएगा। अब हम देखते हैं कि ये इस टेम्पल की नॉटिंग्स क्या है। तो इस टेम्पल की नॉटिंग्स क्या होंगी 7 यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं 7 और 8। 7 और 8 के बीच में ये टेम्पल आ रहा है 7 9 एंड 8 9। तो क्या होगा कम वाला लेंगे नॉटिंग यहाँ हो जाएगा 0 7 और यहाँ पे भी हमने स्पेस छोड़ दिया। अब वो फिगर के डिफरेंस का उत्तर क्या होगा 1 0 0 7। हमने कहते हैं ये लिख तो दिया 1 0 बट एक स्पेस दे दिया उसके बाद 0 7 लिख कर भी हमने एक स्पेस दे दिया। तो इस टेम्पल का 4 फिगर डिफरेंस क्या आ गया 1 0 एंड 0 7। अब देखते हैं कि इसमें हमें और क्या करना है क्योंकि अभी ये कंप्लीट नहीं है। अभी क्या है 1 0 और एक स्पेस उसके बाद फिर 0 7 और एक और स्पेस। अभी इस स्पेस में हमें तो फिल करना है। तो क्या फिल करना चाहिए सो अभी हमने 4 फिगर डिफरेंस लिख दिया बट अभी भी हमें उसमें वैल्यूज फिल करनी है। क्या फिल करना चाहिए तो हमने ये जो तीसरी लिखी है हमें देखना है कि इस 10 के आगे ये टेम्पल कितना और यहाँ पे आगे है। तो इसको मेजर करने के लिए इस मीटिंग से इस टेम्पल का कितना और डिस्टेंस है यहाँ पे हम रखेंगे स्केल स्केल का जो 0 मार्क है वो टच करना चाहिए हमारी इसकी। ओके, अब हमें ये देखना है कि ये टेम्पल कितने मिलीमीटर आगे है। यहाँ से 0 से लेके 1 तक तो हो जाएंगे 10 मिलीमीटर। उसके बाद हम काउंट आउट करते हैं 11, 12, 13 और 14। तो ये बेसिकली 13 और 14 मिलीमीटर पे ही आ रहा है। ओके, तो हम कंसीडर कर लेते हैं 14 या 13 किसी को भी 13 है। अब 13 को 2 से डिवाइड करें तो कितना आएगा 6.5। तो 6.5 को हम राउंड ऑफ करके 7 लेंगे। सो बेसिकली ये जो हमने लिखा है 10, तो इसके आगे हमने क्या मेजर किया, हमने मेजर किया 13 को हमने डिवाइड किया 2 से, कितना है 6.5, तो हमने राउंड ऑफ करके 7 ले लिया और यहाँ पे ऐसे लिख दिया। ओके, तो यही है हमारा 6 फिगर डिफरेंस। अभी हाफ कंप्लीट है, अभी इसके लिए में वही करना है। ये हमारा क्या है नॉर्डिंग, नॉर्डिंग का मतलब ये वाली है। और हमें देखना है कि ये नॉर्डिंग ये वाली लाइन से यानी नॉर्डिंग से टेम्पल कितना ऊपर है। तो इसको मेजर करने के लिए हम यहाँ पे स्केल रखेंगे और इस बार स्केल का 0 मार्क टच करना चाहिए हमारी नीचे वाली नॉर्डिंग। तो अब हम काउंट करेंगे ये कितने मिलीमीटर टेम्पल इसके ऊपर है। ध्यान रखें कि 0 मार्क टच करना चाहिए। अब मेजर करते हैं 0 to 1 10 mm हो गए यहाँ पे, फिर 11, 12, 13 and 14, 13 and 14, इसलिए 13 के सामने कैसे ले आते हैं। तो फिर से वही काम करेंगे 13 mm है, 13 mm को 2 से डिवाइड कर देंगे, कितना हो जाएगा 6.5। तो अगेन राउंड ऑफ 6.5 क्या बन जाएगा 7 और यहाँ पे लिख देंगे 7। तो हमारा 6 फिगर डिफरेंस क्या आ गया इसके लिए 107,077। ठीक है, मैंने यहाँ पे स्पेसिस ऐसे ब्लैंक्स बनाया।
When you go for the division, both the sides you are keeping the scale. Be very sure the zero has to start from this left hand side, and similarly the 0 has to start from down, not from up. Correct. So as I made the mistake, I have to write 41 and 42. Always take the smaller number. And then when you are taking this mm, be very sure there are certain times it also falls between. Then you take the bigger number. There is no worries. And always divide by 2. Why you need to divide by 2? It equals to 2 centimeters. Every box, the grid is 2 centimeters.
Making it into 10.
And then I am teaching you signs and symbols. So is this part absolutely clear? It's more time, then you will start solving. I know which are the questions I'll take it. Use your topo sheet map and start solving right now. Play it more.
Sir, exam में ज़्यादा क्या मुश्किल 4 figure grid या
दोनों आएगा. Last year they have cut short the portions, so they asked you 4 figure. But this time 6 figure is also. ज़्यादा कम नहीं रहेगा. दोनों equal लंबे आएगा. 6 figure is difficult for you.
नहीं figure ज़्यादा easy.
तभी मैं बोर्ड एग्जाम पे लिखूँ 4 figure ज़्यादा easy है. इसलिए कम से कम पूछो. तो लिखूँ लेटर. It depends on the 6 figure भी easy है पर ज़्यादा easy. ज़्यादा easy लगा तो फिर
PU and reference and every post office है का 6 figure difference है। तो सबसे पहले मैप पे ये है कहाँ पे, ये रहा मुझे दर्शानी, अब दर्शानी पे ये रहा पोस्ट ऑफिस। तो अब इस पोस्ट ऑफिस का सबसे पहले हमें क्या निकालना पड़ेगा 4 figure difference, 6 figure निकालेंगे then 4 figure निकालना पड़ेगा। तो इसका 4 figure difference क्या हो जाएगा, इसी इसी देखते हैं 6 के बीच में 10 और 11 10 and 11, तो कम वाली नहीं है 10 हो जाएगा इसी में से। यहाँ पे लिख देते हैं मैंने इस केस। तो अब हमें देखना है ये पोस्ट ऑफिस का नॉर्डिंग क्या है। नॉर्डिंग का मतलब ये वाला है, किस नॉर्डिंग के बीच में 3 और 4 के बीच में, 3 और 4 नॉर्डिंग के बीच में ये हमारा पोस्ट ऑफिस है। तो कम वाली इसमें नहीं है 0 यहाँ पे लिख देते हैं 0 3 और 1 ठीक है। इतना तो काम हो गया हमारा। अब हमें क्या करना है इन ब्लैंक स्पेस को फिल करना है। तो फिर से वही काम करेंगे, देखेंगे मेजर करेंगे। तो अभी हम देखेंगे कि हमारा पोस्ट ऑफिस जो है वो हमारी ईस्टिंग से कितना आगे है। ईस्टिंग हमारी ये थी, इस ईस्टिंग से ये कितना आगे आ रहा है। तो अब हम रखेंगे स्केल को यहाँ पे
So this is have to be careful.
अब देखते हैं कि पोस्ट ऑफिस कहाँ पे आ रहा है 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 बेसिकली 6 एमएम पे ये पोस्ट ऑफिस आ रहा है 6 एमएम तो जितना भी एमएम आता है उसको 2 से डिवाइड करना होता है तो 6 एमएम डिवाइड बाय 2 कितना हो जाएगा 3 तो बेसिकली ये 3 इसके बाद आ रहा है तो हम यहाँ पे लिख देते हैं
I've seen students putting one more
हमें देखना है कि कितनी नॉलेज के साथ आ रहा है तो नॉलेज हमारी होती है तो हमें देखना है अब नॉलेज से इसके बाद ही कितना होगा
Okay.
अपने स्केल को रखेंगे यहाँ पे नॉलेज पे 0 मार्क है just the word again
Reduce the word.
इसको मेजर कर लेते हैं कि पी पोस्ट ऑफिस जो है ये कहाँ से आ रहा है तो 0 मार्क से 1 तक यहाँ तो होगा 10 का उसके बाद फिर 11 12 13 तो बेसिकली 13 एमएम पे ये पोस्ट ऑफिस एग्जैक्टली आ रहा है तो 13 एमएम को 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे कितना हो जाएगा 6.5 6.5 को अगेन नोट डाउन करेंगे होल नंबर तो कितना आ जाएगा 7 तो यहाँ पर कितना लिख देंगे हम 7 तो ये हो गया हमारा 6 फिगर ग्रेड डिफरेंस ऑफ पोस्ट ऑफिस एट द टाइम एक और देख लेते हैं प्रोमिनेंट सर्वे टीम 254 है रामपुरा केरल अब एक सर्वे टीम है 254 रामपुरा केरल के पास उसका हमें 6 फिगर
I want you to find out. Let us play the
तो लिखते हैं रामपुरा केरल
There is a survey done by the government at that.
ये रहा रामपुरा केरल अब इसके
Come on, everyone, find the 6 figure for this.
So,
Rampura Kera. This is Northings is written. Eastings I can pull it down. In fact, we can pull it up also. Come on.
number
0. Northings दिख रहा है. अब वो जरा title को नीचे खींच. Put the mouse there. Go to the title. ऊपर अपना जो title है ना. उसको खींच नीचे. Pull it down.
उसको नीचे दे अरे वो देख ऊपर पैसा दबा ऊपर माउस
Are you able to see? थोड़ा प्ले करो और करो रुको
इसके बाद फिर सर्वे
wait
हाँ ऐसे बस याद रखना पड़ेगा
ये रहा रामपुरा
let
केरल
me play keep it there wait
अब इसके बाद फिर
पहला
सर्वे
pause कर ले now which is the Northings you need to capture
07
07 है ना हाँ then play
सर्वे टीम 254 ये है ब्लैक कलर का हमें इसका 6 फिगर ग्रेड में बताना है
wait don't do it because फिर scale के अंदर जाके काट सकते go ahead
ईस्टिंग देखिए ये जो की है सर्वे टीम रामपुरा केरल ये 254 सर्वे टीम इसकी ईस्टिंग क्या है ईस्टिंग देखेंगे तो ये
now let it play because they don't answer the number
और कंपैरिजन के लिए ये 0
let us screen में
के बाद हमें देखना है इस ट्री नॉर्डिक्स क्या है तो ये किसके नॉर्डिक्स के बीच आ रहे हैं 7 एंड 8 तो जल्दी से हम कंबाइन कर देंगे 07 नॉर्डिक्स होगी नॉर्डिक्स और हमने दो ब्लैंक्स ऐसे छोड़ दिए 07 ईथिंग्स की उसके बाद फिर इसकी फिर 07 इसकी नॉर्डिक्स की और फिर ये इसकी अब देखिए जल्दी से स्केल से मेजर करके कि ये कितनी ईथिंग्स से कितना आगे है और नॉर्डिक्स कितना ऊपर
we got 15 minutes we can solve at least 3 minutes
इसकी वाली लाइन से कितना आ गया तो कैसे वही काम करेंगे जीरो मार्क पर ऐसे करना स्केल एग्जैक्टली और मेजर करेंगे ये कितने
having exactly on 5
1 mm 1 mm 2 mm and 3 mm 3 mm या 4 mm 3 और 4 के बीच में आ रहा है तो कोई सा भी ले सकते हैं 3 और 4 कुछ भी आंसर वही है तो हम 3 लेते हैं या 4 ले लेते हैं 4 का 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो 2 आएगा और अगर 3 लेते हैं तो 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो 1.5 आएगा और वो भी हम कर सकते कितना हो जाएगा तो बेसिकली जितना भी मेजरमेंट आप लेते हैं 3 या 4 वो आएगा अप्रॉक्स 2 ओके तो इस चीज के बाद कितना हमें और आगे आना पड़ा तो हमने यहाँ पे लिख दिया अब हमें देखना है कि हम नॉर्डिंग्स के हम और कितना ऊपर दें तो हम देख लेते हैं नॉर्डिंग वाली लाइन में कौन सी थी ये वाली हमें देखना है इस नॉर्डिंग के ऊपर में और कितना ऊपर तो कैसे मेजर करेंगे ऐसे हमने रख दिया स्केल को हम यहाँ से काउंट कर लेते हैं कितने नोट ऊपर है 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 mm पे ये
Point
54.
तो 8 mm के डिवाइड करेंगे कितना हो जाएगा 4 यहाँ पे लिख देते हैं तो ये हो गया हमारा 6 फिगर क्रिएशन सिस्टम प्रोमिनेंट सर्वेक्टिव इक्वल लापोरा लास्ट है पेरिनियल लाइन है सलोटा एंड दिस इज करके सलोटा कहां पे है
Let us at least have a model for
ये सलोटा
Krishna, tell me what is its northings? It's not visible. Tell me eastings at least. Northings is
Northings.
tell me.
So in the previous numbers.
तो आगे आएगा so much vacant place. You guys only go to the last bench. लड़कियों को ही देख रहा हूँ आजकल बहुत एक्टिव क्या हो गया ऐसा गुड हाँ tell me the eastings northings 3 confirm we'll write only 3 0 3 sit down let us play with that it is ऊपर आएगा
पेरिनियल लाइन तो सलोटा पेरिनियल लाइन तो इसका 6 फिगर क्रिएशन
Stop it. He's saying that well, that red color box is all settlements. And perennial and non-perennial, मतलब perennial they will show it in blue. Non-perennial they will show it in black. अगर वो symbols नहीं आया है, वो भी मैं सिखा रहा हूँ. And सलोत्रा के उधर है, correct? हाँ, go ahead.
So वो dot
हाँ, blue.
कैसी करते हैं वो फिगर कैसे निकालेंगे तो देखिए फिर आ रहा है क्या उसके लिए ये इसके लिए
So distinction cut down. Who can tell me? You tell me what is northings.
Morning पता है
Northings. It is 06 and 07. Easting say easting. It is 06 and 07. What will it be? 06. Play.
ये है 07 और 08 तो ये नॉर्डिंग के लिए क्या है
Raise my hand for the mistake. And this we have corrections.
यहाँ पे क्या लिखना है यहाँ पे क्या लिखना है तो ईस्टिंग से मेजर करते हैं ये वैसे ईस्टिंग से कितना आ रहा है यहाँ पे
Always these things we have to take first. Mornings we have to take second. Chalo. Let's pick up the volume.
यहाँ पे कितना आ जाएगा
So now we pick up the volume and draw all this using your volume question answer. Tell it. You take the page number, I'll tell you exact questions where you need to solve. That is mine or yours? I hope it is mine. Come to page number 14. Question number 1. Question number 1A. Tick करना है. Then come down. Name and give the 4-figure grid reference settlement where the people of the region meet at least once a year. वो जरा carefully देखो. And then 1A and 2 का A. 2A, 1 and 2. 6-figure and 4-figure. Both are there. Then go down. Is there any 4-figure found? All there. Yes. They've given a token pick 1.
Oh.
Hey, sorry, this is previous year.
आपको पता है
ये है ना
बढ़िया
वो मेरा वाला होता है कि तुमने टोको रखी है. This is mine. Where is yours? I don't know. It's okay. I will tell to the office to leave it. I don't know what it is. It's okay. Let us go to question number Okay, this is not the one that we have to, because we don't have the topo sheet for that. So you come down to this page. Sorry. Map reading, question number 1, page number 21. 1A, 1 and 2. Triangulated the height, matlab, they might have given a triangle, huh? वो height है ना, spot height है, benchmark पे उसके करना. Then come down to
Sir, 1A के दोनों surface.
दोनों. Then come down to A. No need for B. And then go down G. Give the 6-figure grid reference. Did you see? Both. Both 1 and 2. G ka 1 and 2 both.
Yes.
And then go down to question number 3. The drainage pattern मैंने नहीं सीखा है. Come to page number 22. It is F. Give the 6-figure grid reference. 22. Anjali Devi ka mandir, Raman ka pahar. I don't know, Ramkan ka pahar. The places are there. And now then name 3 different kinds of roads होने चाहिए. अभी roads मैंने नहीं सीखा है. वो भी नहीं सीखा है.
4A है direct.
Directly 4A. Triangulated height 1, 2. A ka 1 and 2. Chalo, that's enough. For 15 minutes, quite sufficient. They have given topo sheet number 1. So please give topo sheet number 1. Page number. Come on, start solving. And wherever you have queries, I'm there to help you out. 4-figure and 6-figure, they are together. And assuming hey, you could buy a scale because they do not allow magnifying glass. Certain scales have seen the big circling there, and that is magnification. So use it because these are many a times. This is the size, in fact. And there are certain places which are deep inside. I hope your eye lenses are more powerful than us. Some spectacle and specs. And you should get that. Let's start this other scale.
This is for question 1. This is for question 2.
3. They might have mentioned above.
Sheet number 3.
Sheet number 1. Numbers.
Yeah, sheet number 3, sheet number 2, sheet number 1. Sheet number 1.
Come on, quick. Yeah.
Well, 20-meter deep near large.
20 मीटर वाला छोड़ दो, डीप वाला छोड़. सिर्फ वो वेल देखो. वेल मिल गया तो उसका 4 फीट.
Large की वही जब.
बाजू में वेल लेके देखो.
Blue color.
छोड़ दो. Always keep things first and nothing next.
Number 6 figure grade.
नोटबुक में लिखना है कि ये वाला देख.
Sir, ये book में तो कर सकते हैं ना सीधा सीधा.
नहीं नोटबुक में. भाई बुक में कर रहे हैं. After the exam also you turn that. Yes. Don't use your volume because corrections and deletion and all these things are going to be many. अभी समझा मैं क्यों बोल रहा हूँ? If you are happen to solve it in the volume, then only use the pencil, don't use the pen. And then both of you are having independent volume.
Yes.
Then do. Hey, if you want, do it in the notebook also. Nobody is going to stop you. Both क्या है ना वो मैप देखो फिर इधर करो उससे अच्छा डायरेक्टली मैं नोटबुक में करना चाहिए. ठीक है. इधर लिखना है. तेरी इंश्योरेंस लिमिट है. Sir, ये वो डॉट है ना, 11 की लाइन और 12 की लाइन के बीच में है। So you take it 11.5 or you take it 12? हाँ, दोनों में 60 आएगा। आप 11 लोगा या 12 लेगा। 12 लेगा तो 12 का 1.52। Directly related,
ये राजकोट वाले को तुमने क्या लिया?
8906 94।
ये पहले इससे ही लिए वाला नहीं था।
तो
देख
ईशिंग
नहीं ईस्टिंग लिया ठीक है ईस्टिंग के बाद ये वाला मैंने करना है देख
Guys, volume button पे reduce the volume.
ये नहीं था ठीक है ये पहले था
Where is yours?
मैं लाइव
Yes. There you are. I did not to come to my students. Tell me what is the issue. Correct. तो पूरा कर लेना यही चेक करना है कि
10 नहीं आ सकता ना मुझे
10 को डिवाइड किया ना
नहीं
कितना है
सर यहाँ पर
but are you sure
क्योंकि राजकोट में यहाँ पर है ना राजकोट के इसलिए
line is aerial well. It is 94 to 95. Wait. It is 94, na?
I took it as 19 and then divided by 2 and then rounded off.
There is 8 on that.
I took it as 6.
हाँ वो करो ना.
I took it as
Don't take it 10. अगर 10 आएगा तो 9 करके डालो. 10 रहेगा तो फिर मैं दो बोला फिर 7 भी कर दूँ.
और वो सर फिर
That's not it. अगर वो even if it is 10 ना, you directly put 9. That's understood. सब मान लो. So go to the option and take it.
890694
If you are getting 10 any mm, don't take this 10. Make it 9. Yes. So 10 is the wrong system. You. Hey guys, look here. One of the that Rajkot well, one of your friend, even after dividing, he is getting 10, 20. So don't take it 10. You make it directly 9. Make it 90 or 80. Then don't extend beyond 9. If you extend beyond 9 in your 6 figure, that will be wrong answer. So 10 आएगा तो भी आप 9 ही डालो. Done. Wait, we'll cross check. Wall and notebook. इसीलिए मैं notebook में करने बोल. These guys know हम लोग wallet में करें.
सर मैं notebook में कर रहा था.
ये तेरा दोस्त है ना? Neval is the no. Yes. But
यहाँ पे आपने ये वाला यहाँ पे हम लोग ने ये नहीं लिया
हाँ तो ये zero nine ना sequence 10
नहीं होगा
this is 10 this is 10 you have to be अच्छा इधर 0 23 it is a
बीच में हम हाफ पे
तो क्या हो गया this is the figure ना
नहीं मॉडल्स के फिर
what is the This we have found out that it is between 10 and 11. This is between 10 and 11, so I think 10. Okay. It is between 20 and 20. I'll see 20. नीचे एकदम अर्ज ने फाइंड आउट कर दिया तू क्या है ठीक है इधर ये मैप में नहीं है तो व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन नंबर इज सर्चिंग इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 दादा वाला अबाई कर ला हां रुबिला ये वाला देखा Don't do hurry burries numericals. Do it very slow.
Near Chigor, but it's over near Chigor. 198 near Chigor.
Yes. Did you find the Chigor first?
198 after Chigor.
Oh, yeah. अच्छा ये देखा है. 198 बोल रहा है and they are going there. Right. To find out? No. 198. ये मैडम को आज एक फाइल दिखता है उसको भी भाई भाई है ना उनकी भाई अच्छा what is the question what is the place but ये तो उसका नाम है where it is located well, tell me the question what is the question saying पढ़ते समय इधर किधर है दादरला did you find bhamra
Yes, down corner between 0
so this is this place ये तो उसका नाम लिखा है the place is this तो ये in between और ये in between he is just finding it I think great persons are very quick these guys are very super slow हाँ but इतना भी स्लो मत कर कि 10th का पढ़ाई तो 12th में खत्म 12th का पढ़ाई फिर 12th निकली
Fine by
इसमें भी around 5 ही रहेगा ना
अरे क्या कर रहे थे
9
उसके बाद उसके 5 पकड़ना है
instead of discussing ask her this you don't need to.
Good.
But do the calculation and show me
Calculation का 2 के कुछ और ही करना
हाँ तो उधर दिखा ना
तो निकालना
हाँ
छोड़ो ना सर
ये लड़के हैं कपड़े पहन के नहीं कुछ नहीं फिर आगे जाके क्या बोलता है कुछ नहीं बोलता मैं आगे रहने 5 और लाइक दैट
ये रुक मेरा ही क्वेश्चन है
हाँ बोल
ये पहले लिखना ही
इधर भी 11 आ रही है
हाँ then 6.5 next 6 or 7
क्योंकि
make it 7 6.5
मिल गया मैं कुछ बोल रहा हूँ
बहुत कंफ्यूज करके
Hey, if that 6.5 comes, you are not allowed to take 6. You are asked to take 7 because you are crossing that half a mark. So we had completed chapters up till water resources and have started with topos. Good. In certain batches, I have gone ahead of water resources also. Then also topo is going side by side.
Sir, but open is easy now.
अभी तो जैसे हम लोग उसका पैर का दर्शन किए और पूरा ओशन पड़ा है
तो चलेगा सर
हाँ ठीक ठीक
हाँ
सर स्विमिंग आती है
आती है
क्या हुआ
मैं बिना पानी का स्विमिंग करूँ
हवे में तो लेके कर रहे थे
अबे में नहीं मर का अरे Scuba diving in air. Hey guys, solve these questions and complete the question answers of water resource.
They talk about.
Nine. 2 you have done, 4 more you have to do. I'm sure you get that. Confirm.
So,
Yeah.
big here.
Wait, I'm coming.